Hello friend, welcome to your channel How to Know. In this video I'm going to tell about the listing vote of Cratos. Its symbol is CRTS and it is about the listing and voting of the Cratos on the gate.io. Let's see what is it. So before proceeding towards the video, please subscribe my channel if you are new on this channel, and please share this video and in your friend circle as much as you can share. And if you are not a member of the gate.io, so sign up link is also given in the description section. From there you can directly sign up on the gate.io and you will get 10% discount on every trade you, and you will get 40% rebate from your invitees. So hurry up and sign up on the gate.io. So let us start. As you can see the headlines like gate.io listing vote, Cratos activity number 258, and its symbol is CRTS. So the listing vote campaigning for the gate.io for Cratos CRTS has been come to end. Okay, voting has been ended now. Now this time is for the listing. So let's see when it will going to list on the gate.io. So first of all, gate.io would like to thank everyone who participated in the voting activity and will continue to bring more quality project. And so please stand tuned with gate.io. Participate in the next gate.io listing vote session. I'll mention the link in the description section. If you are interested in more activities like this and to earn more rewards and airdrops, then you can visit by given link in the description section. So here, voting result uh, has came to notice. Like in this vote, Cratos receive over 10 million votes. As I am already told, I told in many videos that Gate.io list any of the coin only when it crossed the 10 million votes. Okay, we are going to list Cratos at Gate.io. So it is going to list on Gate.io on 19th of January at 800 AM UTC. So participant had contributed total of uh, 22167,326 votes. It has been crossed 10 million votes, and we have distributed 1951080 CRTS to voters. It means all the voters had received airdrops. Okay, so now it is going to in trading session and listing session. So as I already told you that it is going to be listed on the gate.io on 19th of January at 800 AM UTC on the gate.io. Withdrawal service will be also enabled afterwards. Here deposit link is also given. I will mention same in the description section from where you can easily deposit CRTS, and also I will mention the trade link from where you can easily trade on that coin. It means CRTS. Okay, so next airdrop reward winners are list has been given here. So first of all, I would like to congratulate all the user who participated in the voting activity and win the rewards. Okay, so if you want to see your earning, then you can directly click on the this link and it will be negotiated to your account, and there you can see your rewards airdrop. So congratulations once again to all winners. So let's read further. Eligible participants, all the GT holder on the gate.io, 1 GT equals to 1 vote will be considered. If you are having more than 1 GT, then you can vote for the more than one. Vote allocation for every participant, votes equal the average 14 days holding, including the asset in lending and borrowing market, and bought with the USDT borrowed in margin trading. However, GT borrowed is not allowed. The user vote will be calculated based on the average 14-day GT holding. As multiple time I have told in my videos that for the be a VIP member you need to hold 100 GT for 14 days to be a VIP one member. Okay, and after being a VIP one member, you can participate in multiple activities going on Gate.io. So governance currency is only GT every participant going through the identity verification in case of the GT holding. Okay, you have to be verified, KYC verified user for the voting. Okay, and result announcement has already done here, so you can check it out. If you are a winner, the name will be shown or UID will be shown in the list. Okay, as already told, if anyone cheating like multiple account made and for the voting and being voted by the multiple accounts, then vote can be cancelled at any time. And Gate.io has full right to do this because it if you are having multiple account and if you are voting from the multiple account, then you are a cheater and you will be terminated from the activity and no any reward will be reimbursed to you. So be careful for the voting and be careful to invest any of the cryptocurrency because crypto market is very volatile and you may lose your all money or you may win many amount from the Gate.io. So make your risk perception, and after that you can trade on the any cryptocurrency. So I would like to thank all for watching my video, and please do like, subscribe, and share my video. If you are new on the Gate.io, subscription sign up link is also given in the description section. From where you can easily sign up and get reward of the 40%, and you can get uh, each rebate from the 40% from your invitees. Okay, I hope this video is informational for all of you. Thank you for watching my video.